Welcome to this tech alert channel, and this is a tech alert for Mac users and Apple users. So whatever device, you'll see that there are some updates for almost every device right now concerning three security vulnerabilities that actually have been found. So there's a fix that was released today for 3 zero-day bugs exploited in the wild, and that means there are already bad guys using these to try to access your computers. So the devices that are updated, so two of the flaws are 0-day that impact WebKit on the Apple TV 4K and HD devices. That means if you have an Apple TV, make sure that you update your system. It also is very important to make sure that the updates are done on your, all of your devices. There might be an update including updates for platforms like iOS, macOS, tvOS, and iPadOS for this. And it's the rendering of content. So basically, by exploiting these two vulnerabilities, using maliciously crafted content, you could actually have remote code execution of unpatched devices due to memory corruption issue. So they pretty much can do anything they want with your devices. There's also a third one which impacts macOS BigSur, which is the latest Mac operating system. And it actually is an issue found in the transparency, consent, and control framework. What happens is that attackers could exploit this flaw, and using maliciously crafted applications, they can bypass the privacy preferences and actually access all the sensitive data of your computer without you even knowing about it. So these are 0 days, and they are exploited by bad guys. When I say Mac computers are not safer than Windows, this is another example. And last month we had several of these for Apple. So it tells you that there's a lot of security flaws in the Apple products. So it's important to, of course, update your devices. Make sure that all of your devices are at the latest patch level, including your Mac computers, to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.